In this video, we are talking about how to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dark patches on the skin. Relax, enjoy, and learn. Hello, everybody. My name is Damilola. In case you're seeing me for the first time, where have you been? I'm so glad to have you here. Please do not be a stranger. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for sticking with me. This video is going to be a very short video. I don't want it to be too long at all. So I'm not sure I'm going to go into the definition of hyperpigmentation or dark spot. I want to believe they are well explanatory. I will try and put pictures on the screen as I'm talking so that just in case you are hearing those words for the first time, then you see what it looks like. If I do not have it on my screen right now, then I will have it on my thumbnail. Now, how do you get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dark patches on your skin? Whether it's on the face, whether it's the rest of your body. I'm sure that we've all dealt, especially as Black people, at one point or the other, we've dealt with hyperpigmentation. So the number one thing is to figure out the underlying cause. Guys, that is the first step towards your healing. You have to know the main cause of this hyperpigmentation. If it is acne, if it is hormonal thing, if it is something you are doing, if it's a behavioral pattern, if it's whatever is causing it, you have to figure it out. That is how you can start the treatment. For example, if you notice that after you've treated your acne or after any acne leaves your face, it leaves hyperpigmentation or dark spot on your skin, then you will know the kind of treatment to get, and you will know, at least you know the cause, so you will know the next thing to do. If it's something else, if it is medication you have to take, if it is, because guys, it is not just acne that causes hyperpigmentation. Is, you know how people also survive scars, burns, and all of those things, and these things you have to deal with them after. So the cause could vary. Just know what has caused your own, then you can figure out the treatment. Another way to get rid of hyperpigmentation is to constantly hydrate the spots, the skin. If you notice any form of hyperpigmentation of your skin, please do not stop hydrating the spot. Why do you think people that survive burns, they are usually told to keep putting ointment, what are these things called, honey? It's because they don't want the place to be dry. Make sure the place is not dry. Make sure you are constantly moisturizing, hydrating, whatever, anything that can give you moisture. Just make sure the place is not left dry, because there's probability that it will get darker. Another thing to do if you want to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dark patches, is to gently exfoliate. I know that you are tempted to use all the exfoliants and chemicals in the world to get rid of your hyperpigmentation. Because, I mean, why should it stay on your skin when you know all the products in this world that can get rid of it? But this is also the time to chill and, you know, take your time and be gentle with the exfoliation. Don't over scrub, don't overuse your chemicals, don't abuse them. Yeah, I'm going to use the ordinary glycolic acid toner as an example. As good as that product is, it doesn't work for everybody, whether you believe it or not. And I think one of the reasons is because the percentage of glycolic acid in that product is very high. It is harsh for a lot of people, and for some people, it's just a regular toner. So I know that, especially when people that have hyperpigmentation on their, knuckles, armpits, knees, elbows, people are telling them to use the ordinary glycolic acid. It's going to shake your neck on. Let me use myself as an example. I have tried to use it for my hyperpigmentation. My armpit is too harsh for my skin. Instead, it burns me and it makes it worse. Then I have to deal with it. Then I had to deal with it all over again. So make sure you are gentle with the exfoliation and don't rush the process. Be patient. Still talking about exfoliation, I will recommend chemical exfoliation. We have chemical exfoliation for a reason. This is not the time to start mixing baking soda, vinegar, turmeric. Those things will not work. People will tell you that, oh, it will work if you scrub it, if you been there, done that. It doesn't do anything. Don't let anybody deceive you. You guys already know by now my stance when it comes to DIY skincare. Yeah, it has not changed, and I don't think it will anytime soon. Before I digress, chemical exfoliation are there for a reason. Make sure you check them out. Lastly, I would say that if you have tried all of this, or if you notice that the thing is beyond your control, it's not something you can do, please see a dermatologist or you see an esthetician. These people are professionals for a reason. Do you know that people have hyperpigmentation as a result of diabetes or pre-diabetes, or all these health issues? So for all you know, it might not even be glycolic acid that will even solve the problem. It might be a gut health something, it might be anything. So if it's beyond your power, before it even becomes beyond your power, please, it's not everything we should try and wing ourselves. Please see a dermatologist or you see an esthetician. And that is the end of this video. If you have learned anything from this video, please subscribe. Don't be stingy. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like my video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Please share and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be the first to know anytime I drop amazing videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Be kind to your skin and have a lot of patience. Okay?